Let me tell you something that might upset a lot of people, but it needs to be said. Buying stock alerts, Discord signals, Telegram pumps, and chat room calls is one of the fastest ways to lose money in the stock market. And I know this because that's exactly how I started. If you're new here, my name is Temiz. I've been day trading for over 12 years, and I started with no money working as a Starbucks barista, and today I've made over $16 million in verified trading profits. But the truth is, that didn't happen by following alerts. It happened after I realized what those alerts actually are. When I first got into trading, I was just like you. I didn't know what a real edge was. I didn't know how institutions move sides. I didn't know how manipulation worked. So what did I do? I joined chat rooms, I paid for Discords, I subscribed to Telegram alerts, and I followed gurus who promise fast money. Every alert felt exciting. Every call felt urgent. Every trade felt like this one could change my life forever. Let me tell you something, it never did. Because by the time I got the alert, the person sending it was already ahead of me. Here's the part that nobody wants to talk about. Most chat room pumps work the same way. The leader buys early, sometimes very early, and sometimes before the stock even moves. In many cases, they're incentivized to talk about it early, sometimes even compensated. And the craziest part is sometimes they're even holding inventory long before you see the alert. They then blast it out to thousands of followers. The buying pressure comes in from the crowd. The price spikes and everyone feels like a genius. But when you're clicking the buy button, the guru is actually clicking the sell button. Your buy order is literally their exit liquidity. And by the time you realize what's happening, the stock is already rolling over. At first, I thought the problem was speed. I told myself I could just sell before everyone else and I'll be fine. So I tried faster clicks, smaller time frames, more alerts, more screens, but none of it mattered. Because when you're reacting to someone else's alert, you're always late. You're trading information after it's been monetized, and no amount of speed is gonna fix that. There was one realization that changed everything for me. Every single one of these pump stocks did the same thing. They went up fast and they collapsed over and over and over again. That's when I stopped asking, how do I buy these faster? And started asking, why am I trying to buy something designed to dump? That was the moment that everything changed for me. These stocks were engineered to fail. Why don't I make some money on the way down is what I said. That's how I discovered short selling. Short selling wasn't emotional. It wasn't hype driven. It wasn't dependent on alerts. It was logical. Overextended stocks, weak fundamentals, crowded retail positioning, and chat room euphoria. All the things that eventually unwind. Instead of being the person buying the top, I became the person selling into it. Instead of chasing the next alert, I focused on probabilities. That's how I built consistency. That's how I built my size up. And that's how I built a trading career. Here's the truth about holy grails. Most traders aren't looking for education. They're looking for a shortcut, a signal, a holy grail. The only guaranteed winner in most chat rooms is the person running the chat room. If someone had a real, repeatable edge, they wouldn't need to sell you alerts. That's why you constantly see these operations collapse, disappear, or get completely exposed. Not because trading is impossible, but because signals are not a strategy. That's also why I trade live every single day. No delayed alerts, no hindsight charts, no fake screenshots, just real trades in real time with real risk. I don't want you learning the same expensive lesson that I did. If you want something actually useful, I put together my perfect trade checklist. It's a 12-point checklist that I personally use to decide whether a trade is worth taking or not. If you're checking enough of these boxes, you'll probably have a real setup. It's 100% free, there's no strings attached, I put the link below. And if you want more real trading education, make sure you subscribe to this channel. I post new live trading videos every single week, and I'll see you on the next video.